As so many, I really needed to lose weight. So I got help and I lost some pounds. I started at 210 pounds and I brought my weight down 35 pounds. I was really excited. I started getting compliments. People were complimenting me on how I looked and how much I was doing and on all my achievements. And I got comfortable. I stopped exercising much. I thought I can handle it. And guess what? I didn't. Especially after the holidays, it was pretty much over. I gained some of the weight back, and I had no desire of getting off the couch and doing anything else. Well, it's spring. It's time to take the warm, comfortable clothes off and get off the couch. It's time to get active and start to get moving. And this is exactly what I want to do. I want to start paying very close attention to my nutrition. I want to get active. I want to start working out. I want to be able to keep up with my kids. And guess what? I want to be able to make it last this time. I really don't want to go back and lose a little and gain a little. I actually want to figure it out, uh, and don't, come back here a year from now saying, I gained 10 pounds. So, what do I know doesn't work? Lazy doesn't work. Inconsistency doesn't work. What does? Good nutritional habits, and just, if you know how to manage it right, you can get it right. I'm 185 pounds. It's March of 2012, and I am ready to get some help.